5 mistakes that will ruin your workout. If you don't drink water during your workout or don't take good breaks, then you're in the right video. In today's video, you'll see 5 things that will ruin your workout. Don't repeat these things if you want to get good results. Welcome to Fit Fundamentals, and stay until the end, because mistake number 4 is more common than you think. First mistake, not warming up. If you don't warm up out of laziness or even shame, stop doing it. Before we train, we need to prepare not only our minds, but also our bodies, and warming up is fundamental to this. We know very well that a routine of daily exercise does a lot of good to our bodies, but in order for this routine to have the expected results, we need to prepare our bodies to avoid pain or poor performance. Everyone who works out thinks they are very strong and tough, practically indestructible. But the moment you get injured, and if you train hard it will happen, but sooner or later, you'll regret it. But injury prevention isn't even the main argument for warming up. Warming up always allows your body to be ready for the workout, helps with the range of motion, and also increases the load. This is the most common bad habit in training. Many people stop warming up because they see people around them warming up, and because they worry about what others think, they don't warm up because they think people will judge their training. Stop being embarrassed or lazy right now, and don't forget to warm up. Warm up on the treadmill for 10 minutes, or warm up only the part of the muscle you're going to work, both at a low intensity, and then start working. Second mistake, repeating the same workout. Do you stop following your workout to repeat the same one from the day before? Don't do that. Real pros will never recommend it. Many people tend to think that if they do the same exercise 2 or even 3 days in a row, their muscles will grow. But what you should know is that in order to hypertrophy, rest is necessary, because it is in this rest that your muscles will grow. Not only that, but there are dangers in training the same set day after day. This can lead to serious injuries due to the strain on the muscle without proper recovery. It can overload the joints and tendons, and all of this will hinder your focus on hypertrophy. Third mistake, not drinking water during training. Many people, not just athletes, don't hydrate during their workouts. Water is essential for virtually all bodily functions. A very large percentage of people don't drink water because they claim it's bad for them, but the reality is different. Your body needs water to build muscle. Know that adequate hydration will reduce fatigue and replenish your energy, not only during exercise, but throughout the day. A simple calculation for the amount of water you need is to multiply 35 milliliters per body weight. For example, if a person weighs 80 kilograms, it would be ideal to drink 2.8 liters of water per day. Get into the habit of carrying a bottle of water with you, in the car, or whenever you see a water fountain. During exercise, the ideal amount is about 150 to 300 milliliters of water for every 20 minutes of activity. If you are exercising for longer periods of time, you may want to consider a sports drink. Fourth mistake, not resting enough between sets. If you rest between sets for 3 to 5 minutes or not at all, you should know that both of these techniques are wrong, according to experts. Rest is an important part of our training. Your body will change according to the training habits we adopt on a daily basis, and these changes will be driven by the techniques we use during them, which are not just about lifting weights. For example, regular rest periods can be beneficial to muscle growth because a short break is enough to relax and build strength for the next set. Excessive rest, on the other hand, can reduce the stimulus and physiological adaptations needed for the next repetition or set, which can also affect results. The ideal, used by most people who train, is to rest for a maximum of 2 minutes. Try looking at the prayers for better control. Fifth mistake, always using the same weights. In order to get results, you should increase the weight whenever you feel that the current weight is too light, or when you are doing too many repetitions, which is already an indication that the weight needs to be increased in order for the muscles to continue growing. Load progression is more than necessary if you want to gain muscle mass. If you bench press 20 kilos, your body will build muscles for that weight. If you bench press 30 kilos, your muscles will have grown to lift up to 30 kilos. So if you don't progress, your muscles and your development will always be the same. Remember to always consult a professional in case of doubt or radical measures. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.